a beginner's guide to crafting a beautiful crochet lace pattern.
Dear friends, I am speaking to you right now. However, the entire video is voiced by a special voiceover program. I am not a native English speaker and I don't want to hurt your ears. Enjoy watching and find it helpful.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to create a stunning lace pattern using a crochet hook. This versatile design is perfect for creating summer tops, beach tunics, or light gentle pareos. Here is an example of a crochet top from a Japanese magazine. Very beautiful, right? So, grab your crochet hooks and let's get started. Here is a crochet pattern. You can watch it in good quality on my website. The link will be in the info box below the video. The stitch pattern is a multiple of 12. I've got here a chain of 60. To make the very first row, skip the 11 chains closest to the hook. Skip 5 chains, double crochet in the next. Chain 2. Skip 5 chains, double treble crochet in the next. Chain 5. Double treble crochet in the same chain. Chain 5. And one more double treble crochet in the same chain. Chain 2. Skip 5 chains, double crochet in the next. Chain 2. Next we need to repeat the pattern. Double treble crochet in the last chain, chain 5. Double treble crochet in the same chain, chain 11 and turn. Double crochet in the center chain of chain 5, chain 5. Double crochet in the third chain of next chain 5, chain 5. Double treble crochet in the double treble, chain 5. Repeat the pattern. Double crochet in the center chain of chain 5, chain 5. Then double crochet in the third chain of chain 11, chain 5. Skip 2 chains and make double treble crochet in the next, chain 1 and turn. Third row. Single crochet in the first stitch, chain 5. Double crochet in the center chain of chain 5, chain 5. Single crochet in next double treble crochet, chain 5. Repeat the pattern, double crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5. At the end of the row, make a single crochet in the 6th chain of chain 11. Then chain 11 and turn. 4th row. Double treble crochet in the first single crochet, chain 2. Double crochet in double crochet, chain 2. Now make this cluster of the double treble crochet stitches in the next single crochet. Double treble crochet, chain 5, double treble crochet in the last single crochet. Make chain 11 and turn. To continue, repeat crochet rows 2, 3, and 4. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on crocheting a beautiful lace pattern. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in creating your own stunning lace designs. Don't forget to visit my website for more inspiration and answers to all your crochet-related questions. Happy crocheting, and may your creations be filled with beauty and charm.